Bangalore, renowned actress and model Pavitra inaugurated the 10-day The Souk Market, a handicrafts exhibition and sale fair at the Karnataka Chitrakala Parishad premises on Friday. Speaking at the event, she highlighted that the exhibition has been specially organized by the Souk Market in celebration of the Sankranti festival. She emphasized that the fair offers an extensive range of handicrafts, handloom fabrics, and home decor items, showcasing unique products from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. She encouraged the city's residents to visit the fair and enhance their Sankranti celebrations by exploring these handcrafted treasures. The exhibition features an array of products created by artisans and handloom weavers from various parts of the country, each reflecting the cultural essence of their respective regions. Through this event, the Souk Market has provided Bengaluru's residents with an opportunity to experience the richness of India's diverse heritage in one place. The fair, which began on Friday, will continue until 19th January. Visitors can explore a vibrant collection of colorful clothing, innovative jewelry for women, decorative items, and special products crafted exclusively for Sankranti.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ, ನಾನು ಪವಿತ್ರ, ಆ್ಯಂಕರ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಸೋಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಚಿತ್ರಕಲಾ ಪರಿಷತ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು 10ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಂದ 19th ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಾಗಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಯಾಕುಮಾರಿಯಿಂದ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ್ವರೆಗೂ ಸಿಗುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಲೂಮ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ ಡೆಕೋರ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಈ 10 ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ.